Rivian doubles down on electric bikes. CEO says the company is super excited about e-bikes.
That makes sense, right?
It makes total sense. Although sometimes these e-bikes make people angry. Like it made Kirk angry. Remember that?
Yeah.
I don't know what that's about. You're allowed to have the electric vehicle, but the electric bike is like, no, I'm using my electric vehicle to go like mountain bike and use my legs. But I'm thinking to myself, e-bike, mountain bike, that could be fun. No?
Yeah, why not?
Can't that be fun, Will?
And if it runs out of electricity, then just pedal, right? Use your legs.
Listen, man, you don't have to convince me, but some people have really strong feelings about mountain biking and all the rest of it. And I'm sure there's all types of points to be made here. E-bikes actually outsell electric cars and trucks handily, due in part to their lower production cost and much lower purchase price. Well, sure, that makes total sense. Now we're getting our most detailed look yet at how electric bicycles could be integrated into Rivian's long-term plans. Cool. So you can buy like a Rivian branded bike, add it to your order.
Yeah.
When you look at transportation over the next 10 to 15 years, core to part of the way we think about our product portfolio is increasingly that we go towards multimodal. We'll be using vehicles sometimes, public transportation other times. We think increasingly e-bikes and electric assist bikes. That's really what you should have done, Will. We talked about this already. You could have saved so much money with the e-bike to work. We all wanted to see it, remember? We talked about it. We could do a series on that because that would essentially just be free transportation for you.
Yeah.
On the e-bike.
And I like it. I've ridden the Van Moof.
Yeah.
Like back home. And then
oh, you did do this?
A couple times.
Couple times?
And it was fun.
Why didn't we talk about this?
I don't know.
Couple times?
Yeah. After work.
So where does Otis go then? You got the basket for him or what?
Well, he wasn't with me.
Yeah.
I would get a basket, right?
I have no idea.
I'm not going to leave him here.
I never saw anybody e-biking with a dog. I never saw it.
Yeah.
Maybe a doggy backpack where he's just sitting in the back. Does that exist? Probably.
Probably, yeah. It was great. Good experience.
Refreshing, and maybe not in the peak winter. It might not be so cool. I see people trying to pull it off, but this is a very efficient method of transportation from an energy consumption standpoint.
I would say so.
Yeah. Rivian is apparently looking at commercial customers as a potential major play after discussing the company's large and small vans. Company's upcoming smaller electric delivery vans, of course, will be moving even smaller form factors. The way we see it, a lot of deliveries are going to be increasingly moving things around that are very small. Bikes or e-assist bikes are performing a lot of urban deliveries. Yeah, food deliveries, things like that. So they'll have a whole portfolio of electric vehicles, starting at the bike and going all the way up to the delivery vans.
Mm-hmm.